Hello folks, Waz here, B&B Audioconcepts, and here we have a GL Mercedes, top of the range in its time. This one is from Ukraine. Customer is over in Wales, popped in to see us, wanted us to check something on his radio for him. We checked that for him and it was all fine. He ended up then chatting and buying a FineVu 4K twin dash cam and also a ZZ2 screen, which I'll show you now. Just get into the car. Okay, so now we've got a 10.25 inch screen, a new clock added as well, and this is Apple CarPlay, Android Auto wireless plus USB if required. If you wish to go back to the factory system, you have the factory system working there, or you can have the Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. You get all your apps, so it's all touch screen. This wasn't touch screen, so we can go back here. We can also go into here we've got mirroring and YouTube and all that. Go there and the original camera is working too, plus the 360. So if something like this interests you, give us a ring. Pretty simple to use. Here we have the FineVu twin CCTV dash cam, and the cool thing about this ZZ2, which has impressed me in 35 years, is it actually comes with a manual that makes sense for the owner, because most of the Ling stuff just does not come with any information and you have to figure it out. As you can see, it looks pretty factory, and this vehicle is now off back to Ukraine. At least he'll have a nicer drive home. Thank you for watching.